This was more than just a window problem. It was cold mornings, rising energy bills, and never-ending drafts, year after year. Throughout the house, 14 old vinyl windows along with a worn, outdated entry door were letting comfort and efficiency slip away. That's where we came in. We replaced all 14 windows with Oknoplast Pixel dual-function tilt and turn windows, a premium UPVC system engineered for high performance. These windows are built with a 6-chamber profile and reinforced with galvanized steel in both the sash and the frame for unmatched strength, energy efficiency, and long-term durability. They offer 3 modes in one window: tilt for gentle, secure airflow, turn to fully open inward for easy cleaning and maximum ventilation, and microventilation, a subtle energy-saving setting that keeps fresh air circulating even on cold days. To boost comfort and performance even more, our customer chose triple-pane glass, reducing noise, improving insulation, and delivering real savings on energy bills. We also upgraded their front door to a Oknoplast aluminum entry door, sleek, secure, and built to stand up to the elements with style. Now the home is quiet, warm, efficient, secure, exactly how a home should feel. ARDMOR Windows and Doors, bringing more to your door.